many person who able to speak in English, and also they know what is English grammar, and it is not for all, especially for me. If you learn spoken and try to avoid grammars, you have to some friends or some persons who help you to improve your spoken. Also they are speaking English, and they are able to identify what is your problem. Means your environment is totally English, like that baby it is born, and beside them all person they speak in English and he grew up in English language, and he or she don't know what is grammar, but the baby or the person able to speak it because it is a language, not more than. So if you learn without grammar, you need to some partners or some friends who speak with you. And if you don't have any kind of person, so you have to learn some grammars. Now I say you basic to advanced, you just learn spoken to express your emotion, your feelings in any kind of way. Mean just you want to express your feelings, not advanced way, not beautiful way, not fluent. You just express your feelings in English. It is, and if you want, you learn it just two grammars, tense and sentence. But also here is a problem, if you don't have some persons who communicate in English, so you won't have done it by yourself. Tense and sentence just give us some information about grammar, and if your mother language is others language, like me, my mother language is Bangla, so you're going to try to learn it. Just learning some two grammars, it is not easy good for our, it is good for spoken. When this time we have some persons for speaking, for communicating in English. And also the main topic for advanced level learning, you want to speak fluently properly in advanced way using complicated tense, using advanced tense and etc. So you have to learn some grammar, many grammars. They are first of all tense, sentence, and also noun, pronoun, verb, preposition, conjunction, voice, narration, and article. It is the list which if you done it, you are able to speak in advanced way. But you eliminate some types of grammars, so I suggest you just learn tense, sentence, noun, verb and preposition. But my suggestion is learn all of them grammars for your speaking. It is a language, so if we learn by grammars, it is literally impossible. Many person who learn English in 10 years according to their academic, and they aren't express their feelings in English, pen, paper or spoken, any kind of, they aren't able to, because our academic motivates us learn grammars, not spoken, not written. Means learn grammar, not the language. What is the meaning of language? Speaking, listening, understanding means language. That means you are able for this language. But our academic goes other side, especially in Bangladesh. I'll create a more video for how to learn those grammars only from YouTube. How can you do? Because I learn in spoken, writing, all kind of English from properly free in YouTube. And the truth is, actually I learned by YouTube within just 4 months. Before the 4 months, I don't know what is actually English. Means I didn't know how to speak, how to write. I didn't know any kind of things about English. And after had done, then I understood, oh, this way to speak, this way to write. And this time just I try to learn parts of speech, voice, narration, tense, the basic of English, because I want to learn the basic of English grammar. It is also help for my academy. But when I had done it, those grammars, then I understood my listening English is growth. It's literally beautiful now. Also, then I try to speak, and day by day I practice more, and now I'm able to speaking, but not fluently. I have to more practice to improve my speaking. So I create the challenge.